Alright, what we have here is a 2015 Toyota Camry. We will be replacing the transmission filter and the gasket. Alright, so we just got done putting the jack underneath and the jack stand, and now we're ready to drain the transmission fluid by removing the transmission plug. Alright, so the transmission plug is right there. Right, now we got the transmission pan off. Now we're ready to remove the filter. So there are two bolts to remove there, and I can't get my camera in there, so I'm just gonna remove it, and I'll show you when I pull that filter out. Alright, so I got the filter out, and this is it. This is the transmission filter. So there is a bolt right here and a bolt right there. So there's only two bolts to loosen out from the transmission. So anyway, now I have to compare. My customer bought two filter, and the auto parts store doesn't know which one goes to this car. So anyway, with the filter, so first I compare this one. So this is different than the other one, and this one, it looks like it's the right one, same shape and exactly alike. So we'll be using this one, and before that I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the transmission pan with the brake cleaner. Alrighty, so the pan looks pretty clean, and I'm ready to put the gasket on this pan, and also ready to install my transmission filter. Alright, so we got the gasket on this one. Right there. And again, make sure everything clean before we put it on. Let's wipe it off. Alright. Alright. The filter and the pan is put together. Now we're ready to fill this. Now we're ready to put in the transmission fluid. We'll be using this one for transmission fluid. And this car is a no dipstick. So what we do is find the fill plug, and most of these Toyotas fill plug located over here, and it'll be right there where I got my sockets on, right there. So I'm going to remove the fill plug from there, and then we'll be ready to put transmission fluid in it. Alright, so the fill plug is right here, so I'm going to remove this, and then we'll be ready to fill the transmission fluid. This is the fill plug for transmission. Alright, so I will be using this right here to right there. I'll be using that one to fill it with transmission, to put transmission in.